Hello, everybody. Hope everyone is having a good day and a good weekend so far. And welcome to my channel, guys. I'm telling you, this is going to be a great big Amazon haul. This is the very first item that I ordered on Amazon, and I just got it a few seconds ago in my mail. It came super quick. I am just blown away by this. This is so super pretty, guys. I love the packaging. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm definitely going to wear this to work on Monday. I am so super excited about this. This is haul number one. Like I said, I have more stuff coming next week. I am so super excited because, like I said, my city is level purple. Everything closes super early now, and you can't really do anything or go anywhere. So, thank God for Amazon. I am so super excited. This is gorgeous. I just love the packaging of this, and like I said, I have a lot more coming, guys. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment, and hit that notification bell. If you don't, you might know if I upload or not. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.